Good day everyone! Today we're gonna show you how to disassemble and assemble a system unit.
Step 1. Turn off your computer. Then, unplug all wires. Also, we will remove all the screw of a system unit.
Step 2. Unscrew and remove the optical drive. Remove the wires. Step 3. Remove the power supply. And remove the wires. Step 4. Unscrew the screw in the motherboard. And skip, here it comes. Step 5. Disassemble the components in the motherboard. Assemble the components in the motherboard. Put the motherboard in the CPU case. Screw the motherboard so that it can't be moved. Put the optical drive into the CPU case. Screw the optical drive so it can't be moved. Put the wires in the motherboard and optical drive and power supply so that the unit can be turned on. Without that, the unit is dead. And finally, close the CPU case.
RAM, a random access memory, is a type of computer memory that temporarily stores data for quick access by the computer's processor. It's volatile memory, meaning it loses contents when the power is turned off. RAM is crucial for the smooth operation of computer, enabling faster access to data and better overall performance.
The central processing unit CPU is the primary component of a computer that acts as its control center, the CPU. Also referred to as the central or main processor, is a complex set of electronic circuitry that runs the machine's operating system tasks.
The motherboard is the backbone. That ties the computer's components together at one spot and allows them to talk to each other. Without it, none of the computer pieces, such as the CPU, GPU, or hard drive, could interact. Total motherboard functionality is necessary for a computer to work. Well,
A computer fan is any fan inside or attached to a computer case used for active cooling. Fans are used to draw cooler air into the case from the outside, expel warm air from inside, and move air across a heat sink to cool a particular component. Both axial and sometimes centrifugal fans are used in computers.
HDD stands for hard disk drive. Each storage device in computers that uses spinning disk and a read-write head to store and retrieve data for long-term use. Unlike RAM, HDDs retain data when the power is off. They are commonly used for storage but slower than SSDs.
A power supply is an electrical device that offers electric power to an electrical load such as laptop, computer, server, or other electronic devices. The main function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load.